One of the most useful tools and resources of a successful YouTube is below we will discuss 5 topics that are very important for all YouTubers. 1. Sky. Of course, you have to be proficient on some subject. It may be anything that can be done. People start from flouting and skillfully to teach anything, and you have to be skilled in that. Some of them again see the videos of big challenge. Their copy trying to do it. I'm not saying it's bad, but say a lot better, but try to do better than that. And so, the main features of successful YouTube are to achieve efficiency. I think many people think that if I'm not good at Badar, then I will not be able to do it. Badar is a big man today. He was killed in mother's lake. They had to acquire their skill. That is why I do not think that love for the subject there is that you try to do it better than you are around. You are not behind the success or the success will run behind you. 2. Video editing. Before starting YouTube, I would suggest video editing to be fairly easy because a video is good when it is edited very well. So before you start YouTube, take a closer look at editing. Believe it, not much within 1 month you can learn a lot of good video editing and then you will be more skilled in editing as long as you go with YouTube. Freelancing with YouTuber waited for you. I would suggest take a look at YouTube before you start editing. 3. Mobile or laptop. You must have a mobile or laptop for YouTube marketing. The purpose of writing this is to make mobile users many mobile marketing and many people do not even know. So, for mobile users, I can say that you can do YouTube marketing through mobile but also the laptop. It's not as easy as the users. You will have to take a lot of tolerable from them, but it will not be difficult to watch. There are a lot of people, well, YouTuber mobile YouTubium with tubes and a strong will to succeed, so they spalera. 4. Camera. Camera is an important instrument. For those who shot video, always do not use this without DSLR. You can use a small camera or if your phone's camera is good then you can also use it. 5. Microphone. It is good to watch a video when the sound is well as its video. So the sound plays an important role in the quality of the video. So a good microphone is needed for the sound. Now many people think that the microphone has a lot of price and bother. I also say that microphone has a lot of value. That does not mean that you will have to buy the most expensive microphone starting from 115 USD to the market. There is a very good microphone inside 300 USD. Start with this fast. Focus on these 5 things. I believe the success will come. If you like the one you like, comment below to know anything related to YouTube. And if you want to show friends, then share.